Add condensed milk to peanuts and you'll be surprised by the result. Here I have 400 grams of peanuts, already roasted and shelled. I'll add 4 cups of condensed milk and mix everything very well. Tell me, what's your favorite sweet recipe at home? I'd love to know. Once mixed, I'll place our mixture into the pan. I'm happy you're enjoying our recipes. Then add 2 cups of powdered milk, 2 tablespoons of butter. Now just turn on the heat and mix until all the ingredients are combined. Done! It's reached the ideal point. I'll turn off the heat and continue stirring for about 3 minutes. Let's move on to the next step of our recipe. Here, I have a dish that I already lined with plastic wrap. I'll transfer our dessert into it. This recipe is incredible. I'm sure it'll become a regular at your house. Once done, we'll spread it evenly across the dish, pressing it down to make it uniform. Now I'll cover it with plastic wrap. And let it cool for 1 hour in the fridge. And now it's ready to cut. Let's remove the plastic wrap and unmold it onto this board. Look how easy it was to do this. I'll remove the rest of the plastic. Now let's cut it into squares. This peanut sweet pleases many people's palates, especially children's. Lastly, I'll sprinkle some powdered milk on top. I'll take a piece for you to see how delicious it turned out. It really turned out perfect.